High Seas Medical Marijuana Dispensary Cruise Ship, the ultimate investment opportunity. Listen up now. But how do we control insects like spider mites? High Seas Medical Marijuana Deluxe Pipe Dream. Tagline: sailing towards a high-potential future. Slide 2. The market opportunity. Rapidly growing legalization. Global marijuana legalization is a reality, leading to a massive market expansion. Unmet demand. Limited access to quality medical marijuana products, particularly in international waters. Untapped potential. The fusion of medical marijuana and luxury cruise experiences is a groundbreaking concept. Slide 3. The solution. Innovative concept. The world's first fully licensed and state-of-the-art medical marijuana dispensary cruise ship. Unparalleled experience, combining high-end luxury with top-quality medical marijuana products. Exclusivity. Access to medical marijuana in international waters, where regulations allow for exceptional quality control and expanded product range. Slide 4. Revenue streams. Medical marijuana sales, offering an extensive range of premium medical marijuana products to onboard passengers. Luxury cruise experience, additional revenue from cruise amenities, dining, entertainment, and excursions. Partnerships, collaborations with renowned cannabis brands and industry experts, ensuring an exceptional product selection. Slide 5. Competitive advantage. Pioneering the market. First mover advantage in the medical marijuana cruise ship industry. Unique offering. The perfect blend of medical marijuana and luxury cruise experiences, creating a niche market. Strategic partnerships. Leveraging partnerships with leading cannabis brands, ensuring access to exclusive products. Slide 6. Business model. Cruise ship operation, offering regular scheduled voyages with world-class amenities and entertainment. Medical marijuana dispensary. Onboard dispensary complying with international regulations and providing unparalleled product quality. Revenue sharing. Collaborating with local dispensaries at ports of call to expand revenue streams. Slide 7. Market expansion. Global reach. Targeting key international cruise destinations where medical marijuana regulations are favorable. Strategic growth. Expanding the fleet to cater to growing demand and market opportunities. Brand diversification. Potential to launch land-based dispensaries and associated product lines. Slide 8. Financial projections. Projected revenue. Based on conservative market estimates, anticipates significant revenue growth year over year. Profit margins. Strong profitability due to the premium nature of the offering and strategic partnerships. Return on investment. Attractive ROI potential, with projected returns exceeding industry benchmarks. Titanic-sized risks are a real threat. Team overview. Experienced leadership. Our team comprises industry experts, seasoned cruise professionals, and cannabis specialists. Diverse skill sets. Collective expertise in operations, marketing, finance, and legal compliance. Commitment to excellence. Focused on delivering a safe, luxurious, and compliant experience for our passengers. Slide 10. Investment opportunity. Funding needs. Seeking $X million in investments to launch the inaugural High Seas Medical Marijuana Dispensary cruise ship. Investor benefits. Equity ownership, potential for ongoing revenue sharing, and participation in a groundbreaking venture. Timely investment. Take advantage of the burgeoning global medical marijuana market and the unique concept we offer. Slide 11. Contact information. Thank you for your time and consideration. For more information, contact. Name, your name. Title, your title. Email, Your email address. Phone. Your phone number. Closing slide. Title. High Seas Medical Marijuana Dispensary Cruise Ship Tagline. Embark on the journey of a lifetime, where luxury meets medical marijuana.